Westermans here, more equipment arriving. This time we had to buy the container, so containers arrived with the goods inside, so we'll wait and see. As soon as it's unloaded, we'll open the doors and see what we've got coming. All just lining up so we can get the forks in there. Of course we're after what's inside it, but we could also sell the container if required. Looking at the container, it's not very old, 20-foot standard closed. Make somebody a nice shed or storage, or possibly even shipping back overseas again with the relative documents. Up we go, nice and steady. I might need a little bit of tilt on that, I would have thought. It's always nice to have the right kit. Look more professional. Now let's see what we've actually bought. Any ideas, Henry? Well, there's a bit of cardboard I can see.
Fronius cladding machine.
Alright. Well, look at it, there's two Fronius cladding machines. One there with a 9000 control, and a more modern one at the back there, another one. Welding positioners, compact cladding systems, and a Miller 35 Pro Heat. More details can be found on the website. Thank you for looking.